Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I would like to show you how I remove and replace the rear diff pinion seal on a 2010 Ford Edge or Ford Escape. That will be the same. Okay, after remove the drive shaft and before we removing the pinion shaft nut, so use a flat chisel or punch to make the mark on the shaft and the nut before we remove the nut. And we can use the impact to remove the nut and get one dry shaft bolt flank U-joint bolt to find the proper bolt, and put some grease on the puller and the 2-bolt puller installed like that on the flank to flank out. It's very easy for the flank to come out, or you can just lightly tap with the hammer behind the flank and it will come out very quick and easy. And this is how we remove the seal. And with the seal puller, or if you don't have a seal puller, you can use a pry bar or a big flat screwdriver, but use the chisel to tap around the seal first and it's come out just like that. Use the smooth sandpaper, just sand on the outside where the seal that sit on, and inside you don't use sandpaper, just use a cloth because it needs to be sealed with the seal. And find the bearing race or tube or a ball joint press adapter, so we put it on that way and tap it. Make sure it's nice and straight before you tap it in, so it's not crooked and damage the seal. So it have to be sit flat to the differential pinion housing, and inspect the flank, make sure there's no bruise cut on there. If not, you have to install the sleeve. And this is a pipe sealant, good stuff, so I apply that on in the middle of the spline like that, so to seal the fluid might leak pass through the spline, not through the seal on some case. Yeah, and put the flank in, slide in a little bit so it's enough, or you can lightly tap it with the hammer so for the pinion shaft to stick out enough, and put some thread locking on the pinion shaft nut. And now we screw the nut in by hand, so it's not cross thread, and install 2 bolts like that. So you can use the pry bar, put it in against the vehicle body or to the floor, so you can use a ratchet or breaker bar to tighten nut, because this nut is very strong. The torque wrench cannot reach with the torque number, and when you come to very tight, that means the mark that we marked before is getting very close. Yeah, because behind the nut inside the differential have the cross sleeve. Yeah, so we tighten that nut until the mark is lined up where that we marked it before. Yeah, you can use the impact, but make sure it's not too much. So, or you can use a long bar like a breaker bar. So now it line up and it's just about 1 millimeter past. That should be like that. If we put it at the same before, it's not tight enough, so we have to put it just 1 or maximum 2 millimeter past the mark that we marked before we remove it. And install the drive shaft, screw all the bolt by hand first, and with a small impact just tight it in, or if you know the torque spec, or you can just use a pry bar to stop it and tight by hand. Make sure it's not over tight and broke the bolt. So now we need to remove the fuel plug and make sure there's the breather freely moving like that, so the pressure inside the differential can escape. That's very important. That can cause the axle seal or pinion seal to leak because too much pressure inside. Something's gonna get. Yeah, and use something like this to remove the fluid out, the old fluid, and put the new fluid in. So that way you don't have to remove the cover. In this vehicle the fluid looks good, so we just need to top it up to the proper level. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.